Racing just is started. We have Jigsaw Star break quickly at the start. Karma moving up on the outside. Kulti Alo in the middle portion. Aloha Reyes Gold Evita. Yes, why not? High Octane Premier Edition, while Committee Chair is the early trailer, and going along for the first turn we have Karma, Jigsaw Star, Aloha, Kultialo, and down on the inside is High Octane Premier Edition. Yes, why not? Then moving up on the outside, Committee Chair, while Evita now racing less, and as they swing down the back, we have Karma, Aloha, moving up on the outside. Jigsaw Star is racing in third. Reyes Gold comes next. Yes, why not? And on the outside is Committee Chain Premier Edition. Cool Tielo comes next. Then next on line is High Octane, while Evita is still racing less than at the far turn. Karma, yes, why not? Reyes Gold now moving up on the outside. And then comes Jigsaw Star, Aloha Premier Edition, Cool Tielo, Committee Chair Evita, while High Octane now racing less as they swing for home. We have Karma. Yes, why not? Reyes Gold is on the outside with about 100 meters of the race. We have Karma. Reyes Gold is on the outside. Karma, Reyes Gold. And finally, it's Karma. Reyes Gold. Then comes Yes, why not? Premier Edition. Then comes Jigsaw Star and